Hi everybody, my name is Josh and I'm with Genesis Halifax. And I'm here today to show you the G70 Sport right here. It all starts right up front right here with our 6-cylinder 3.3 liter twin turbo setup. 365 horsepower will get you anywhere you need to go in a hurry. Experience the drive, this is the engine that'll do that for you. As we come around, you'll notice the rim and tire here. Michelin Sport tires, red Brembo brakes. Everybody knows the brakes. Only found in high-end luxury cars. They're right here on this Genesis G70 Sport. As we move into the interior, 16-way adjustable driver's seat with the quilted red stitch leather. Not only is it in the seats, you'll find it on the door panels as well. Beautiful. Navigation screen, all-wheel drive, everything is right there. This is the drive to experience. Coming around to the back seats, we don't lose you there. We still have the quilted leather in the rear seats and in the door panels as well. Not to mention those rear seats are heated. Heated rear seats, that's right. So your passengers will not complain that they're getting a little bit chilly in the wintertime. So we might as well move right around here to the back. Again, dual exhaust. You gotta put that power out somewhere, right out of that exhaust, along with a really good trunk space size as well. So all kinds of room for all your goodies. Not to mention, you're still, that's not good. Not to mention, you're still gonna get a spare tire as well, so you don't have to worry about that. Passenger side is much of the same in the back as well. Heated leather on this side, still quilted. All that red stitching, still nice. Passenger side, adjustable seat on the passenger side as well, and here you can really see the detail through the dash as well. So that red stitching goes right through the top of that soft dash panel, right around the center console, not to mention all those nice chrome finished controls as well. And there we are right back here. You can see all the dark chrome trim, the accents in the fenders. There's those rim and tires again with that red brake. Can't forget those Brembos, ladies and gentlemen. And then it all comes right back to where we started, right here with the 3.3 liter 6-cylinder twin turbo. Call today, I will get you in for a drive. 902-209-3138. Experience everything Genesis has to offer. Test drive, purchase, maintenance, we come to you.